Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ganitashi Maitri. Average age of teacher and 3 students is 20 years. If all the 3 students are of same age and difference between age of teacher and each student is 20 years, then what is the age of teacher? Now here just let the age of teacher is T year and age of student is S1, S2 and S3 and their average is given here, that is 20. So we will get T plus S1 plus S2 plus S3 equal to 80 years. Total sum of ages is 80 years. Now if all the 3 students are of same age, then let S1 is equal to S2 is equal to S3 is equal to having age S. So T plus 3S will become 80. This is our equation 1. Now next is the difference between age of teacher and each student is 20 years. So T minus S is equal to 20. It implies that T is equal to S plus 20. This is our equation 2. Now from equation 1 and equation 2, if we put equation 2 in equation 1, then we will get S plus 20 plus 3S equal to 80. So 4S plus 20 equal to 80 and 4S equal to 60. So S is equal to 15 years. So our students are, every student is having age 15 years. Now to find teacher's age as teacher's age minus student's age is 20 years. So teacher's age will become 15 plus 20, that is 35 years is teacher's age. Option C is right answer. Next question is, a man walks down the backside of his house straight 25 meters, then turns to right and walks 50 meters again. Then he turns towards left and again walks 25 meters. If his house faces to east, then what is his direction from starting point? Now this is direction sense test example. So here is north, south, east and west. His house is faces to east. His house is faces to east, means his house is like this. This is his house and it is facing east, means back side of the house will be west direction. Now we will arrange back side of the house will be west direction. Now a man walks down the back side of his house straight 25 meters, means he is walking here straight 25 meters from this back side of the house. Then he turns to right means then he walks 25 meters. He walks 25 meters, then he turns to right and walks 50 meters again. So walking 50 meters to right, then he turns towards left, and again walk 25 meter. So this is 25 meter. If his house faces to east, what is his direction from starting point? So we have to find direction of man from the starting point. So now we know that this is east, this is west, this is north and this is south. Now the man is in this direction, means in this direction, and this direction will be northwest. So our answer will be option D is right answer. It is on north west of the house. So option D is right answer. Next question is, if you have two straight sticks of length 7.5 feet and 3.25 feet, what is the minimum length can you measure? Here minimum length we have to find out, means we have to find HCF. Now 7.5 we can factorize it as 3 into 2.5 and 2.5 we can write it as 0.5 into 5. These are the factors of 75. Now 3.25 we can write it as 5 into 0.65. Again 0.65 we can write it as 0.5 into 0.5 into 1.3 we can write. So now factors are available here. For 75, 3 into 0.5 into 5, and for 3.25 factors are 5 into 0.5 into 1.3. Now HCF is nothing but common factor. 0.5 and 0.5 is common. So our HCF will be 0.5 into 0.5, that is 0.25 feet. So option B is right answer. Minimum length we can measure is 0.25 feet. Next question is, in the sum, one symbol is given in this sum. LHS and RHS are given. For which digit does the symbol that symbol stands is asked here. So we will put option A, B, C, D stepwise in the given expression and check whether the expression is satisfying condition or not. For A is equal to 2 plus 12 plus 52 plus 22 plus 21 will be our LHS, and RHS will come as 122. Now we will make sum. 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 109. As LHS is coming 109 and is not equal to 122, this option is wrong. So option A is wrong. Option A is wrong. Option A is wrong here. Now we will check whether option B is right or not. Option B is right or not. For option B is here 3. Now for 3 we will check. It will become 3 plus 13 plus 53 plus 33 plus 31, and our RHS will become 133. Yes, LHS is coming equal to RHS. So here satisfying condition. So option B is right answer. Next question is, a simple mathematical operation in each number of sequence 14, 18, 20, 24, 30, 32 results in a sequence with respect to prime numbers. Which one of the following is next number in the sequence? So with respect to prime numbers, this mathematical operation and sequence is given. So we will first note down what is the given series: 14, 18, 20, 24, 30, 32, and we have to identify what is next. Our prime numbers are, they have mentioned the sequence is in relation with prime numbers. So we will first note down prime numbers. The nearest number near 14 is 13, then 17, then 19, 23, 29, 31, and the next prime number will be what? 37. And here if we observe, then 13 plus 1 13, 17 plus 1 18, 19 plus 1 20, 23 plus 1 24, 29 plus 1 30, 31 plus 1 32. So next number will be 37 plus 1, that is 38. So option C is right answer.